Hello everyone, this is Helen. Today we are gonna make fried rice. I got this cast iron mini wok for $20 a few days ago when it was on sale, which was a great deal. It came pre-seasoned, so I don't need to worry about the seasoning. The top diameter is about 9 inches and the bottom is a little bit more than 5 inches. It's a great size for making one-person meal. So today we are gonna use it to make the fried rice. First, we need some vegetables for this recipe. You can use any kind of vegetables for this recipe, but today I'm using asparagus, and I'm cutting it very small. You need to cut it small because we're gonna cook it very fast. I like to use vegetables of different colors together, so I'm dicing some red onions to add some red or purple. And then I chop up a small piece of leftover ham to add some protein and pink color. When the chopping is done, I beat an egg to add some yellow color. And of course we need some rice. Here I have about 1 cup of leftover cooked rice. Then we heat up the mini wok on medium heat. We don't need high heat because cast iron retains the heat very well. Then we add some oil and spread a little bit. Now we pour the beaten egg in. Stir and try to break up a little bit. But you don't have to break the egg into very small pieces for now. When you don't see any runny part, we can get the egg out. We will put it back later. Add a little bit more oil. Put in the chopped ham. And stir for about 1 minute. Then add the diced onion and stir for another minute. Now we add the asparagus. I add asparagus at last because I don't want to cook it very long. If you prefer a softer taste, just put in earlier. Now I put about a tablespoon of soy sauce and a little bit of my homemade sauce I made out of chili paste and tomato paste. You don't have to use this, or you can replace with any of your favorite sauce. Now we cover the lid for a couple of minutes to speed the cooking and also keep some moisture. When the vegetables are done, we put the eggs back. Now you can break the eggs into smaller pieces. At last, we add the rice. If your rice came right out of the refrigerator, it may stick together and you may have to break it apart. I broke mine in advance. After you mix everything together, the fried rice is done. You can scoop them out and eat directly. I want to make it look a little bit fancier, so I'll get them out and put in a bowl first. And press it tight. It's perfect for one serving. Now I put a plate upside down over the bowl and turn over like this. And then remove the bowl. Here you have your beautiful fried rice. Or you can also put in your lunchbox. Thanks for watching. I upload new recipes every week. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me comments below. I'll see you in the next video.